Dachau was a Nazi concentration camp 16 miles northwest of Munich. It was opened on March 22, 1933, and it was the first concentration camp opened in Germany. Heinrich Himmler officially described the camp as the first concentration camp for political prisoners. In total, over 200,000 prisoners from 30 countries inhabited Dachau, with almost one-third being Jewish. It is believed that 25,613 prisoners died in the camp, and another 10,000 in its subcamps, primarily from disease, malnutrition, and suicide. In 1945, there was a typhus epidemic in the camp, followed by an evacuation in which many of the weaker prisoners died. Dachau also served as the camp for Christian religious prisoners. According to the Roman Catholic Church, 30,000 deacons, priests, and bishops were imprisoned there. In August 1944, a women's camp opened. The first women came from Auschwitz-Birkenau. There were 19 female prison guards. In the last months of the war, the conditions at Dachau became worse. As Allied forces advanced toward Germany, the Germans began to move prisoners from concentration camps near the front to more centrally located camps. They had hoped to prevent the liberation of large numbers of prisoners. Transports from the evacuated camps arrived continually at Dachau. After days of travel with little or no food or water, the prisoners arrived at the camp in a weakened and exhausted state, often near death. Typhus epidemics became a serious problem due to poor sanitary conditions, overcrowding, insufficient provisions, and the weakened state of the prisoners. Due to continuous transports from the front, the camp was constantly overcrowded, and the sanitary conditions beneath human dignity. Starting from the end of 1944 to the day of liberation, 15,000 prisoners died. 500 Soviet POWs were executed. The camp was surrendered to the U.S. Army on the afternoon of April 29, 1945.